lines converge toward packaging while maintaining separation by flavor.
Welcome to the Chip Factory. Today, we'll follow potatoes from truck to bag.
Step 1. Receiving fake. Potatoes arrive in crates or bulk loads. Inspectors check for rot, bruises, and foreign matter.
Batches are weighed and logged for traceability. Next, conveyance Quaithbo. Potatoes move to washing stations.
High-pressure water removes soil and debris.
Rotating brushes scrub the skins clean. Potatoes are sorted by size to ensure consistent slicing. Optical sorters grade potatoes by size and color. Different sized potatoes are directed to specific production lines. Size affects slicing thickness and frying parameters.
Moisture content is checked to ensure proper crisping.
Approved potatoes head to peeling and slicing stations.
Each batch gets a code to track it through production.
Another inspection tunnel removes dark or broken slices.
Materials and packaging are staged nearby for smooth flow.
Potatoes are peeled using rotating drums or steam, depending on the recipe.
Steam peels preserve more flesh and reduce waste.
Peeled potatoes move immediately to slicing to prevent discoloration.
High-speed slicers cut potatoes into perfect thin chips.
Slice thickness is critical Proudrold, measured in fractions of a millimeter. Sliced chips are rinsed to remove excess starch for better crispness.
Centrifuges remove surface moisture before frying. Any odd slices are rejected to maintain uniformity in the bag.
Next, the fryer. Chips pass through hot oil in a continuous flow. Temperature is tightly controlled for color and texture. Time in the fryer determines its crispness and color.
Oil is filtered and recirculated to maintain quality and safety.
Operators check color against a standard for consistency.
Golden, crisp, and ready for seasoning. Safety equipment protects staff from hot oil and machinery.
Engineers continuously monitor fry systems for efficiency.
Fresh chips enter the seasoning drum for flavoring. Fresh chips enter the seasoning drum for flavoring.
Flavor houses blend spices to exact recipes.
Metal detectors ensure no foreign objects make it to the bag.
Sensory teams taste test batches to validate flavor profiles. Automated lines can switch flavors quickly to meet demand. Uniform seasoning ensures every bite tastes the same.